It's ugly out there in the world of stocks with the Nasdaq index down another 2% in trading here today. The S&P index is down about minus 1.25%. I'll talk about the technicals because there's a key break of a key moving average today in each of those indices. So I'll talk about that in this video. Looking at the Nasdaq index, it is the hardest hit, as you can see, this week. And in the process, the price moved below this black line. This black line represents the 50-day moving average. That level comes in at 22656. Current price is trading at 22577. So we're, I don't know, 23 plus 56, 75-ish type points below the 50-day moving average. So that puts the sellers more in control. The last time the price fell below the 50-day moving average is back here in the end of April, early May, so it's been a long time since that price has been below that level, and it would take a move back above the 50-day moving average to take some of the heat off of the index. On the downside, the next key target I could see is probably right here, where we had swing low, basing near the 22204.43 level, and then we go down to 21803, and just below that, the rising 100-day moving average. That 100-day moving average was also broken back in the April decline, and it wasn't until May that the price moved back above that level, gapped above that level, and started this move to the upside. Let's take a look at the S&P index next, and like the Nasdaq index, it too has fallen below its 50-day moving average. That level comes in at 6668.44, currently trading at 6635.36, not just below, but below that level by about 32 points, 32 S&P points. So making a break to the downside, it would take a move back above that 50-day moving average to take some of the pressure off. Note that earlier in the month of, I guess that's October, the price came down to test that 50-day moving average, only finding support buyers and pushing to the new all-time high right through here before rotating to the downside over the last few weeks of trading. So watch that level at 6668 on the downside. This low price right here from October, along with these lows right here, become the next key target at 6550.79. Get below that level, and we look toward the 100-day moving average at 6487.50. Last time the price traded below that 100-day moving average, similar to what we saw in the Nasdaq index, was this period right here where the market gapped above that 100-day moving average. In the S&P, we tested both the 200 and 100-day moving average, and that started this move to the upside. So that level is going to be the next key level on the downside. Move below that level, and the door opens up for further selling momentum. So be aware of that, but all eyes on the 50-day moving average now at 6668.44. Stay below that, lives more bearish. My name is Greg Miklowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.